So today we're going to be looking at how to copy calls, influencers, and callers. So these are people that have good amount of followers that can influence a token, that can also have better informations because they have some of them always get insider information, and that can that can promote a token to their followers and it will pump the price. So we're going to be looking on how to copy that trade. How to copy that trade. There's a way to find them and copy that trade. So before that, we are on our way to 1,000 subscriber. So if I get to 1,000 subscriber, I'm going to show you my simple strategy that I used to make from $100 to $500 daily trading on the trenches. This strategy can make you from $100 to $500 trading on the trenches daily. So once we get to 1,000 subscriber, I'm going to show you that strategy. So subscribe now so that we can get to 1,000 subscriber very fast. We just have 200 followers left to go. So back to the video. So now we need to go to Kolscan. So this is Kolscan. This shows you their trade, daily, weekly, monthly. That is the profit they're making that trade. So the first one here has made $11,000 today. The second one has made $10,000. The third one has made $8,000 today. So let's say weekly. This Danning has made 83K in a week. The second one 77K in a week. So let's go to monthly. Monthly, he has made the first one has made 460K. The second one has made 241K. So you can see they are making good amount of money trading. So if you click on any of them, they're going to be seeing their stats. So this one balance is only 662 Sonana. So let's see his trade. You are going to see his trade. Look at the token. He bought this token. Okay, he has bought this token like just 50 seconds ago. Capture. Look at the token he has been trading. So we need to look at someone that is not trading all the time. If you want to copy that trade, it's not trading all the time. Like let's say at least 5 times a day. That one is good. 5 times, 10 times a day, not every minute, but it's trading. So this one 1 hour, 6 hours ago. So this one is a good. This one is a good. This one is a good. To watch out for. So you made $4,000 today. So we click on it. We click on. So now you can see he has his S handle. So let's check his Twitter page. So he has 6,000 followers. 6,000 followers. So if you want to copy the address, you can see this is the abbreviation of his address. So once you click on it, it will be copied. Now let's go to AXIOM. So on AXIOM, you click on this account. You can see their account. You see search for other wallets. You paste the wallet address there. So this is active trade. He bought this token. He has not sold. Wow, he has not sold this token. So another token is here. This one he has sold, but he has some remaining. He has $4,000 remaining. So now we'll click on top 100. Top 100. So this is top trade. You can see he's making good amount of money. He's making good amount of money, having good percentage. So let's go to the last. So now we click on history. So we have to see his recent trade. So okay, he's making some amount of losses, and gains. Click on performance here and see his performance is not bad. His performance is not bad. So now what we do, this is what we are going to do. So we are going to add it to our tracking on AXIOM. So to add it on our tracking on AXIOM, you need to put it on desktop side. That's if you are using mobile, like I'm using mobile. So you can see trackers. So click on the trackers. So click on wallet manage. Click on add wallet. So add wallet address. Now I need to go back. What is his name? Okay, I've seen his name. So add. So we have added it. Go to live trade. We'll be seeing his trade here. But if you want to copy his trade automatically, you want to automatically copy his trade, that anytime he buys, you buy, anytime he sells, you sell. You need to go to GMGM. GMGM allows auto copy. Auto copy. So you paste the address, the wallet address, you paste the wallet address, click on it, name it. Now you will just click on copy trade. You place the amount you want to buy. Let's say one Solana. You place the amount you want to buy, max buy. Then auto sell, yes. So when it says you says, so you just confirm, and anytime you trade, it will start trading. You will be traded automatically. So, but I don't advise auto copy trade. I don't advise auto copy trade until you have watched this trade to know if it's really that profitable. Then before you can start copying the trade. So also, if you want to, the link of AXIOM will be on the description below and on the comment section. Also, the link of GMG will be on the description below on the comment section. So AXIOM is the best to use because if you are using AXIOM, you'll be accumulating points. You'll be accumulating points for the upcoming airdrop, and you will be experiencing lower gas fee, and also you'll be getting rewarded in Solana. So anytime you trade, you get rewarded with cashback and also additional uh Solana for your activities. That if you are trading a lot here, you'll be getting Solana as reward. So that's how you'll be trading on Axiom. So if you want to trade on GMGM, just use GMGM as a copy trade, just to auto copy trades. So that is it. So if you want to have a mentorship, you want me to take you through a mentorship on how to make money on the trenches, you also find my WhatsApp link on the description, on the description below. Then message me, and the class is $50. But if you are coming from YouTube, I'm going to give you 50% discount. Instead of paying $50, you'll be paying $25. So this is David. See you on the next video.